Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well and welcome back to the AI Tech Experiment channel, a place for AI professionals and enthusiasts to stay updated with AI advances. So this is an introductory video of the Mastering AI Superpowers series. The series are based on this tutorial from a real Python site. In this tutorial, you will step into the shoes of an AI engineer working for a large hospital system. You will build a RAG chatbot in LangChain. This chatbot uses Neo4j to retrieve data about the patients experiences, hospital locations, and so on. So what you learn at the end is how to use LangChain to build chatbots, design your chatbot, work with graph databases, set up a NoraDB instance, which is Neo4j in our case, build a RAG chatbot that receives structured and unstructured data from Neo4j, and last but not least, you will deploy your chatbot with Fast API and Streamlit for UI. Let's look at the demo that shows us what we'll have at the end. So here is our chatbot with very simple UI. Here we ask the question, which hospitals are in the hospital system in our database? And here we have the list of hospitals. After that, we ask, what is the current wait time at one of the hospitals? We have the answer. Now, at which hospitals are patients complaining about billing and insurance issues? We have these, so all this information, we have it in the database. What is the average billing amount of medical visits? Which physician has the lowest average visit duration in days? So all questions that could be asked in a hospital system. And that, of course, we have the answer in our database. So let's have an idea about what's happening behind the scenes here. So we have our Streamlit app, which sends messages to the chatbot API, and the chatbot generates the answer and sends the response back to the Streamlit app, which displays it to the user. So this is, guys, for the intro video. In the next video, we will get familiar with LangChain, where we talk about chat models, prompt templates, LCL, which stands for LangChain Expressive Language. We talk about retrieval objects, and last but not least, we talk about agents. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to have more videos like this one. I hope you liked the video. Don't hesitate to put a thumb up if it's the case. And don't hesitate to put a comment if you need more details on any concept about which I talked so far, and see you next time.